The art of polite English. I was hoping. Uncovered. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to delve into a very interesting topic in the English language: politeness and tone. Specifically, we'll be looking at how the phrase, "I was hoping," is often used to make indirect requests and offers, and why this is considered polite. To start, let's understand the phrase, "I was hoping." This phrase is often used in conversational English when we want to make a request or offer in an indirect way. The use of the past continuous tense, "was hoping," gives a softer, less assertive tone compared to using direct statements. This indirect approach shows a level of respect for the listener's feelings and freedom of choice. For example, compare these two statements. "Can you pass me the salt? I was hoping you could pass me the salt." Even though both are requesting the same thing, the second one is less direct and is therefore considered more polite. Politeness and tone are integral parts of communication in English. The way we phrase our words can drastically change how our message is received. Using "I was hoping" is one such tool to maintain a polite and respectful tone. It can soften potentially confrontational situations and show your respect for the listener's autonomy. Let's look at another example. "You should come to the party tonight. I was hoping you'd come to the party tonight." The first sentence can sound somewhat commanding, while the second, using "I was hoping," has a softer and more polite tone, showing that you respect the other person's decision. Using the phrase, "I was hoping," is quite straightforward. You usually follow it with a clause using could, would, or can. For example, "I was hoping you could lend me your book. I was hoping we would have dinner together. I was hoping I can borrow your car." Remember, the aim of using "I was hoping" is to make a polite, indirect request or offer. So, it's all about creating a respectful, considerate dialogue. That's it for today's lesson, everyone. We hope this video gave you a better understanding of why "I was hoping" is considered polite in English, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to maintain a respectful tone. Remember, good communication is not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.